preliminary information is there, but I cannot disclose. Why? Because the inquiry is going on. I wanted to find out all the details.
The death toll has already risen up to 40 people. It is really unfortunate, and this shows the gross negligence of the Congress government here.
At the same time, I have told my people to give 1 lakh for deceased family, death family, and injured family 50,000 for immediate expenditure.
I have demand that the government pay 1 crore ex gratia to all the workers who have died here today.
A total of 36 people lost their lives and several others sustained serious injuries in the devastating explosion at the Segachi pharmaceutical factory in Telangana's Sangareddy district on June 30. Recently, BRS MLC K. Kavita visited the hospital in Patna Chiru to meet with the injured and the grieving families. During her emotional interaction with the victims' relatives, Kavita strongly criticized the Revanth Reddy-led Congress government, holding it accountable for the tragedy. Speaking to the media, she demanded that the state government announce 1 crore compensation to the families of every deceased worker, stressing that the victims and their families deserve justice and immediate financial support.
In Hyderabad, there is a very unfortunate incident. Explosion has happened in a chemical factory, pharmaceutical factory, and unfortunately, the death toll has already risen up to 40 people. It is really unfortunate, and this shows the gross negligence of the Congress government here. They failed in regulating these companies. They failed in thoroughly inspecting these companies, and there was apparently a shift change where a lot of workers came in, and the explosion has to collapse of a 3-story building, which further escalated the number of people who have died in this incident. It is really unfortunate, and I want the government to stringently make sure that all the rules and regulations are followed, and a thorough follow-up of these regulation is necessary. And I demand that the government pay 1 crore ex gratia to all the workers who have died here today. And there are many patients who will suffer from long-term illness. Government should also make sure to take care of these people who succumb to the long-term illness.
Earlier in the day, CM Revanth Reddy visited the explosion site, held a review meeting and directed officials to submit a detailed investigation report.
Already our director, labor department, director boilers, they have inspected, they have given certain instructions to that concern. But who is in charge? That person also has died in this accident. So we could not recover, we could not collect all those information. My team is there on the job. Definitely they will collect all those information. Then I will push you to.
The incident has reignited political outrage across Telangana, with opposition parties pressing for answers and accountability from the state administration.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.